Hello everybody on YouTube. Welcome to another Glock Ninja video. And today I'm giving you the video that I promised you on a previous video. And that is a comparison between the dollar store multi-tool pocket knife and the Victorinox multi-tool pocket knife. Okay, this particular model Victorinox is a Huntsman. Alright, the Huntsman basically comes with two blades, one large, one small, a saw, bottle opener, can opener, corkscrew, a ream, and a hook. Okay. The dollar store multi-tool pocket knife comes with 8-in-1 multi-tool knife, which comes with scissors, can opener, bottle opener, flat screwdriver, knife, Phillips screwdriver, nail file, and corkscrew. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple of things. I have actually used the Victorinox to open a can, but I have never used a dollar store can opener to open a can. So that's what I'm gonna do with the dollar store, just to see if it can do it. I think we pretty much all can assume that the Victorinox can opener can do it. I've done it before. Take my word for it. It does it well. Pretty good job. It doesn't fail in that manner. So let's get the can opener out and see if the dollar store can opener will open a can. Okay? I'm going to try this side. You know what? This is one of those, I guess, cans that you... it's not grabbing. Let's try with the Victorinox. Grabs. And unfortunately, this can is a pop can. I'm using the bottom part to open it. So it's doing the job, but it's having little trouble grabbing the edges. Yep. It's getting the job done. Let's see if we can do it with the dollar store again. It just won't grab. It just won't grab the... Yeah. The hook right here just won't grab the edge here to allow you to punch in. So I would say that's a fail for the can opener on the dollar store pocket knife. And also that little bit of work here has kind of bent it out of shape, so it's kind of it's refusing to go back in, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to bend it a little bit to make it go in. Okay. I'll be honest with you, I don't see this screwdriver, flat screwdriver working very well. It's not very sharp. It's not very flat. It's pretty thick. Alright, let's go to the knife. Cut some. It's really not cutting it, is more like breaking into it, but it is slicing. It is sliced through as if it made a clean cut. Let's try the Victorinox blade. dollar store blade. Victorinox blade. Definitely a much smoother slicing, cutting action here on the Victorinox. Ooh, I think I just cut myself. Yep. Razor sharp. Be careful. Yeah, definitely cut myself here. Very sharp. First time I ever did that with a knife. Trying to clean off the thing here, and I cut myself. No threat of cutting yourself on this blade for sure. As you can see, the true blood there. Let's see if I could cut this popsicle stick. It seems to actually feather the popsicle stick pretty decently. Victorinox. Yep. Alright, so let's close that up. Yeah. Now for the scissors test. Let's see how the scissors work. There you go. Take the scissors out. I won't be able to do the saw comparison because the dollar store one doesn't come with saws. Okay, here's the scissors, I believe. Nope, that's the saw. There you go. To be fair, I did sharpen the blade on the dollar store one. Alright, doing a pretty decent job of cutting through. Okay, did an equally good job. The action of the scissors on the Victorinox is more solid, of course, but there was absolutely no snag or trouble cutting with this scissor. It actually, it feels pretty good. Not bad at all. So my recommendation is for $1, this would be a handy little thing to have around on your stand next to you while you're reading the newspaper. and you want to maybe cut something out like a coupon real quick, then you know this is the perfect thing. The blade in the can opener and the other stuff that comes on here, I would not rely on it. The blade may be good for like just to cut something. Let's try this Avivi. See how that cuts. Yeah, the Victorinox and the SubUrbanNinja is actually cutting. This is more like breaking into the the carrot. But anyway, so for $1, I would say this is a good companion for your stand next to your chair or on a coffee table while you're reading the newspaper, or you want to cut out some coupons from your magazine or newspaper. I think this will be fine for that. But for a real serious, actual, go out there and cut things, and like I said, this comes with the saw, so you could do a little bit of cutting the branches and stuff. More of a useful tool for camping. I'm sure that the wine corkscrew is definitely looks and feels more solid, so you can actually use it as a wine corkscrew. I don't have a bottle of wine to actually demonstrate, but in a pinch, yeah, I could see it possibly working, but I could also see it not working because it's very flimsy. But for $1, I wouldn't mind having it laying around to use the scissor part to cut out, like I said, coupons and such. All right, so I made a little mess here, and I cut myself. This Victorinox blade is razor sharp, folks, so be careful. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.